So, good afternoon. Pwede ka ma-interview?
Yeah, sure.
So, na-ako'y ka ng 10 kabog questions nga gi-prepare para sa imo, ha? So, can you share your journey of self-discovery regarding sa imong sexual orientation or gender identity?
So, since I was 8 years old, so na-feel dyan ako dito ang part na ay may part of LGBTQ.
So, unsay na-feel nimo pagtugan sa imong friends and parents?
Mutugan mo dyan tayo if not magdaduha dyan tayo. At the same time is ma-pressure sa tayo if ang sa ilang matubag. So, sa friends is atong tayo dito ka is okay sa lahat. But sa akong family is more double reaction and mixed reaction.
So, kasagaran sa LGBTQ members, unsa na problema inyo sa garan magian?
LGBTQ, most of the time kayo ang mga makonjud is discrimination and judgments sa lain na tao.
So, unsa reaction sa imong fam and friends sa imong identity?
So, as I said earlier, na mixed yung reaction sa akong family. Since dili jud fully na kanang dawat jud nila.
Naka-notice ba ka kung giunsa sa society pag-accept ang LGBTQ?
In this generation or in this era kay kanang dili jud fully nga kanang dawat jud sa mga tao ang LGBTQ as a part of a gender because we are in Catholic country na duha jud ang ilahang gender nga ilahang gi-accept which is the girl and boy.
So, unsay advice nimo sa uban nga nag-question sa imong gender identity?
Ang question din sila ay
Advice.
Ang advice din sila is be who you are kay nagpuyo naman ta sa usa ka place so dili ta plano kay pailala sila wa sila lang ta problema.
How can allies help the LGBTQ community?
As a part of LGBTQ, so we need someone who can help us or support us of being part of LGBTQ.
So, what do you hope in the future for LGBTQ individuals?
So in this generation, so people not totally accept LGBTQ community, and I hope that in the future they would accept all people, no matter how their identity is.
So, napakailan i-share about your experience in LGBTQ community?
I didn't have any more.
Thank you.